న్యూస్ అప్డేట్ కోసం ఛానల్ ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. పక్కనే ఉండే బెల్ సింబల్ ను క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి. అప్డేట్స్ ని మిస్ అవ్వకండి.
Honorable Minister of State, Home Affairs, Government of India, Shri Hansraj Gangaram Ahirji, Dr. Ish Kumar, Director, National Crime Records Bureau, Ms. Govind Singh, Additional Director General of Police, CID, Telangana State, Mr. Sanjay Mathur, Joint Director, NCRB, distinguished delegates, invitees, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me a great pleasure to extend a warm welcome to all the delegates and distinguished invitees to the 19th All India Conference of Directors of Fingerprint Bureaus here in this wonderful city of Hyderabad. This is the first time that the conference is being organized in Hyderabad by Telangana Police, and I thank on behalf of Telangana State Police, the Government of India, and more specifically Dr. Ish Kumar, Director NCRB, for giving us this wonderful opportunity to host this event. It is definitely a proud moment for me to address this gathering of fingerprint experts from all over the country, from police agencies, which is a testimony of the consolidated effort in police cooperation to fight crime and share ideas as well as experiences that can help all of us in fulfilling our duties towards providing a safer society for the citizens of our country. Today, society recognizes that the people's fingerprints hold undeniable, unchangeable evidence of their identity. The automation of the fingerprint identification process is a tool by which the criminals can be identified more quickly and efficiently. In our zeal and effort to make this society a crime-free society, automatic fingerprint identification system AFIS plays a very key role in investigations, virtually replacing the traditional manual methods of fingerprint matching and classification. We are proud to announce that the Telangana State Fingerprint Bureau is the first state in India which implemented a new generation and an international standard of AFIS in record time. We have tried our best to make the Fingerprint Bureau more efficient, and we are utilizing their abilities to detect a large number of cases through the means of scientific investigation. It is the first state to incorporate a palm print based live scanner system for enrollment of criminals' fingerprints electronically. We have also deployed an Android based single finger identification system to verify the criminal antecedents of a suspect in the field within seconds by the field level cutting edge police officer without any manual intervention at the police station level. Our efforts can be seen through the results we have achieved. I understand from the Director of Fingerprint Bureau Telangana State that total of 868 unidentified cases were solved in a small period of time since the installation of AFIS in the state recently. In fact, the new AFIS has also enabled us to reach back in time to place a culprit at the scene of crime that occurred long time before chronologically, but which remained undetected. It has been proved that in above 868 cases, 480 cases were old, unsolved crime of scene cases that were not identified by the older fact system we had. In addition, a total property worth 7.2 crores was recovered through the identification of chance prints developed at the scenes of crime. Apart from the above, we also detected 42 cases of unknown dead bodies through this modern system. Biometric identification does not need to rely upon spoken information from the subject in question, since installation out of 1,22,633 instances verified in the field in real time by using the mobile devices on field, 7,273 successful matches of previous offenders with criminal history were found. The very fact that we have been able to identify the offenders in real time in the field when the patrol officer is on the ground, it enables us to prevent harassment to the law-abiding citizens. If there is somebody seen in suspicious circumstances, if we are able to verify on the spot whether he has a criminal history or not in the past, we don't have to bring him to the police station, keep him in the police station for 24 hours, verify, and then say, sorry, you are not involved in any case, please go back. That we don't have to say. That is a kind of safety net that has brought into this society through this introduction of a new fingerprint identification system in Telangana. Distinguished guests and delegates, today technology has allowed us to vastly improve our crime investigation capabilities. Time demands that we collaborate and work more closely so that the offenders who do not have any borders, either district borders, state borders, national borders. So this is time we work together across the country, all states, all units in a collaborative manner. As state agencies, we need NCRB to play a more proactive role in ensuring that all state AFIS systems are in tune with the current fingerprint standards or interoperable in terms of data exchange. I am sure there will be a lot of discussions in this regard during the next 2 days. I have also requested my FPB team to share their implementation experiences as well as capabilities of the AFIS system with all of you so that such a kind of technologies are adopted and used in a better manner throughout the country. Ladies and gentlemen, I understand that there are some special invitees from research organizations, universities, and possibly from students too. I hope and we get to learn from all of you as you share your perspectives, and hope in turn you are able to enhance your knowledge and experiences as you interact with some of the best minds in the police department or police fingerprint bureaus from across the country. I wish a very pleasant stay for all of you, and I am hopeful that this conference will set a landmark in meeting its designed objectives, identifying the shortcomings, preparing plans and mechanisms towards an integrated framework for the country, and forging new partnerships in fighting crime. As you know, for any civilized society, safety and security is an essential prerequisite. And in order to ensure that the crime is reduced, the society feels safe and secure, and we are able to give a better environment for the development and welfare-oriented society, the need for integrating all the fingerprint bureaus across the country is an essential prerequisite. I am sure this conference would be able to help us to achieve that goal in the years to come. And finally, I would like to express my deep appreciation to all my colleagues and staff of Telangana Police for working relentlessly in coordination with all officials of NCRB for organizing this event, and request your continued support to all the guests so that they leave with a feeling of warmth and happiness that would enable us to deliver and take care of all the services that are required when you are here for the next 2 days. I thank you all for giving me this opportunity. We have done a lot of things in pursuance of the call given by Honorable Prime Minister, the smart policing initiatives at the DG and IGP's conference at Guwahati. Starting from then, in the last 3 years, we had used technology in different ways in Telangana Police. We would like to just show it to you as a way of information, taking this as an opportunity because all of you deal with the technology.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share. Follow on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, Instagram. For more updates, please subscribe Great Telangana TV.